Impress your boss by doing this in Excel, creating unpaid and paid design like this in Excel. Now let's start off. In paid cells, type sum if, then select this status column, comma, criteria, click on this cell paid, comma, sum range, select this due column, next do the same. Like that. Now let me select this status column, let me apply some validation, data validation, like that, then change to list. I'm going to type paid, comma, unpaid, then okay. Here I've created drop down list. You select from either paid or paid, like that. Then let me add some conditional formatting. I'm going to highlight this column like that, home tab, condition formatting, equal to, I'm going to first, the first one I'm typing unpaid, then I'll apply some fill color. I'll choose light red, okay. Repeat the same to unpaid, to paid, like this, equal to, type paid, then I'll choose a different fill color, this time choosing green, okay. Then you're done. You can now select like this. This is very interesting.